In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons on GoDaddy quickly and easily. Now let's dive straight into it and get you started. First, you'll need to head over to the GoDaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to GoDaddy's official website. Here, you'll start the process by clicking on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. This will bring you to the Sign In page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't already have an account, be sure to set one up beforehand to follow along with these steps. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, look for the website option, which is typically available in your products area. Click on it. This will open up a page displaying all your website projects. From here, you're going to select the specific site where you want to add the buttons. Go ahead and click on Edit Website next to your desired project. Now you're in the website editor. On the left of this panel, you'll see a variety of options. We're looking for the Add Section button, which should be visible either at the top or bottom of your sidebar menu. Click on it to proceed. A new menu will pop up showing you all the different sections you can add. In the search bar located within this section, type buttons to quickly locate the section you're looking for. When you find the buttons section, click on it to select. This will display a preview of the different button styles and layouts available. Once you've identified the style that suits your needs, press Add. This will incorporate the buttons into your web page, allowing you to customize them further. With your buttons now added, it's time to personalize them. Click on the button you just added to bring up a customization panel, usually located on the right side of the screen. Here you can tailor every aspect of your button. Customize factors like the label text, the link it should redirect to upon clicking, and other aesthetic elements to really match the look and feel of your site. Once you're satisfied with your customization, locate the Done button and click it to save your changes. Don't forget this step. Now, before you publish these changes, it's a great idea to preview your site. This lets you experience how the new button integrates with your site's overall design and functionality. If everything looks great, return to the editor and hit publish to make your changes go live. And that's it. You've just added customized buttons to your GoDaddy website. We hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process more straightforward. Remember, adding elements like buttons can significantly enhance user interaction on your site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.